Hey guys, what's up? This is Gundamlegacyextreme, and I'm here today to do an unboxing video. And why would I be unboxing something from GameStop? Nintendo 3DS. Yes, I finally picked mine up today, so now it's time to cut this open, and let's see all the goodies you get with it right off the bat. And first and foremost, as soon as you open it up, you get this. Whoa. Sorry about that. I'm using my stand, and I'm leaning it on my knee. You get this whole little mess of instructions and whatnot. Street Pass, Me Plaza, Place Me Street Pass, Plaza Me Des Street Pass. Quick Start Guide in English, Quick Start Guide in, I'm guessing Spanish. Another thing in Spanish, you get the instruction manual. Yeah, right. You get a Club Nintendo, Nintendo Power, and then the augmented reality game cards. I'll go over that in a little while. Now we close this up, just shove this away, and now we get to the actual goodies. First and foremost, uses the same exact charging plug as the DSi and the DSi XL. No real surprise. It's the unit, so I'll be putting that aside. Next up is its actual charging base, which, yeah, it's pretty cool. That looks, whoop. Again, sorry about that. That looks nice. Let's pull that away real quick. Done with that. Now on to the main thing, the 3DS itself. I mean, that might be a little dark to see. There we go. I got the, what was it? Cosmic Black Edition. Because he didn't have the red one, which is the one I wanted. Now we open that up, and oh yeah, that just looks amazing. Quickly with the stylus before I turn this thing on. You get this stylus. Yeah, I know it looks puny. Now it doesn't. That is just nice. I like that a lot. Putting that away, we power this thing on, and let's see. Slide the 3D on. Slide the 3D off. 3D to the middle, and oh, that just looks cool. I don't know if you can really see this. We go with English. Telling me to just check the 3D real quick. Yeah, that just looks nice. One is 238. And so yeah, I'm gonna cut the video here because I'm gonna be starting to go through my personal information. But yeah, real quick before I cut it, actually, I did also get another thing. I did pick up one game with it, and that was Chronicles Samurai Warriors. I mean, I was originally not gonna get a game at all, but when I was skimming through games that came out, this was the first one I saw, and it looked pretty nice. So I figured I might as well pick it up. So yep, that's about it. I'll probably do another video going over the augmented reality later. But that's pretty much it. Stay tuned for more stuff. I'm probably going to have another video up later today. Have a nice day, and I will see you all at my next review. Peace out.